It's warm and cordial afternoon to all of you who are listening thoroughly to our word. So today our English on family carry our current topic, which is related to the burning issue of Bangladesh. So hello guys, my name is Payal Bansal from the English on English Training Academy. I'm here with my scholars. So today we are here to discuss about the burning issue of Bangladesh. So in the Bangladesh, the students are protesting against to the government and 200 people has died because of this issue and 1000 plus people are injured in that. So guys, what is the reason behind of this? Because the government of Bangladesh has suspended the internet service. So let's understand what is the issue and what is the impact in India also. So our youth is protesting against the government because of the reservation system, and a lot of people are comparing our India also with the Bangladesh because they are saying in the India there is also a reservation system, but in India it is about the caste system, and in the Bangladesh it is about the freedom fighter. They are saying like it is depend on the historical moment. Let's understand what is the history of this by the Nidam.
First of all, here is me, Nida Gesawat, and today we get together as my ma'am also explained about that topic. So as we listen about every present time started connected with the history, and that history recall each and everything while knowing the present time. So the Bangladesh also was considered East Pakistan, and that was a bigger issue for them. And when the general election started over there, due to this issue, and over there lots of problems were appearing. They got trapped by the
They were deprived.
yeah, deprived and all. And even in the general elections, there were two parties stood up. In West Pakistan also one body stood up, and in East Pakistan also one body stood up. And over there, Muzaffar, Sheikh Muzaffar stood up, and he won that. He won the East Pakistan.
Yeah, and he won the East Pakistan, and in that what happened, the West Pakistan started to invest on the East Pakistan. So in that what happened in 1971, they started the vote. It is liberation vote, I think so. So in that what happened, a lot of freedom fighter start to just protect the Bangladesh. So in 1972, the who won the election is like Muzaffar Rahman. He won the election. So in that he told that we should pass the reservation to the freedom fighter because it is a right of them. So let's understand some of the point by the Fizaman.
Why Bangladesh has suspended mobile internets? Because troops are on streets. Troops are on streets, and also such low-level argument doesn't suit on a prime minister. Sheikh Hasina was there, who born in September 28, 1947, when India get partition from Pakistan. She is the longest prime minister in the history of Bangladesh. Founding first president of Bangladesh, Mujibur Rahman. We can also understand that these people are also calling the Sheikh Hasina through the name of dictator by protesting, and this was very peace, but now this turned in scary, and Sheikh Hasina is currently at India, New Delhi. This is just because of quota system of Bangladesh. Let us understand the quota system with Anna.
Thank you very much for passing me this chance. Well, we have to understand the very first what is quota system, because all this issue is surrounded by this main point. So the quota is reservation. We have to understand how it started. At very first in after the freedom of Bangladesh, it started by Mujibur Rahman. He started for the freedom fighters only. At that time, the 30% reservation was for freedom fighters, 10% was for the women's, 10% was the deprived tribes, and the remaining was for the other people, native people. But afterwards, it got changed. It got twice changed. In the first one, they after the freedom fighter, lots of freedom fighter died. Now they shifted this quota system to their childs and daughters. So this was the first issue.
Yeah.
In that,
I think so. I guess on 1997 it goes.
yeah, that is right. So that was changed at very first. As it was changed, so okay, it was acceptable that freedom fighters kids were given the opportunities. But afterwards, it again got changed, and in that grandsons also were provided this quota system.
Yeah.
So over here, the issue came. Well, we have to understand the unemployment also, because Bangladesh is suffering from unemployment. So the youth was very angry on this point that we are making our efforts but we are not having the jobs, and the people who are the grandsons of the freedom fighters, those are getting this in free. So this was the issue when this went in the High Court. So High Court rejected this petition. It did not. High Court did not mention that it is right or wrong. They mentioned that there is no link with the petition people who filed this FIR against. There was no connection, so it was being rejected with no basis. Afterwards, all the issues started. In the starting, as you mentioned already, that it was very peaceful. People were demanding that it should be removed out. But afterwards, the cruel behavior of the Prime Minister and the army, it made angry to all the protesters. So let us understand that what was the feelings of protesters and how we can make it relate to India.
Also, PM Sheikh Hasina, she said that if freedom fighter children doesn't deserve it, so the
Who deserves sorry.
Who deserve it? Razakar, she said, and even that was one point was also spoken by the protester. That was, "Who am I? Who you are? Razakar, and that is said by dictator. That was bigger issue, and even on 2018, as it declared by the High Court. So afterwards also that. Protesters started to say that I want justice. Why? Just because of that High Court said that there is no any link up of it, and afterwards, as High Court accepted and passed them points that you should also get these things. So they started to put their own things that Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina should forgive, apologize front of us, army members do these kind of things, and who showed like 36 guys died without
There were
unidentified.
afterwards 9 more requests, like you can say the conditions. That was in starting, one was there, that was about quota system. But after all this kind of devastating situation, they mentioned their 9 situation also. So that was the point. We will have to understand that what was the situation of the students at Bangladesh. Yes, students.
So the situation of Bangladesh student was they wanted justice, but the Prime Minister of Bangladesh was not giving them justice. After July 14, the army told her that you have to leave the Bangladesh. Why? Because the protesters were not able to handle by army. So she has to left that, and around 1:30 she reached at India's hotel New Delhi, and she meet with our India's security chief.
and even the
Ajit
people
Doval.
were also saying that her helicopter is seen by people in the going direction of London, but that is totally not thing. She is currently at New Delhi, India.
Yeah, she will be shifting herself afterwards, but right now she is staying in India. So that is why this is very concerning point, because you can see that right now Indian students suffer from the NEET scam, and the similar kind of things we are able to look. But we have to manage that. India have to think aloud, because right now the situation which is going on around the India, like you can see in Pakistan, around Bangladesh, you have
Even
seen
there was
Sri
a
Lanka.
meeting also on August.
There was a meeting.
Yeah.
Yeah, and in that they included all the parties, main characters. So that is the very concerning point.
And while talking to you and in the discussion, I got two words about the Razakar and the dictator, because the Bangladesh students are considering to Hasina Begum as a dictator. So first let's understand what is the meaning of dictator. So dictator is about that person who rule a country, otherwise a place, and over there if there is election, so front of them there is zero opposition party and they are ruling over there. We can take the example of South Korea, North Korea. In that also the same thing is running, and then after it's come up about the Razakar, to whom we consider Razakar. In 1971, what happened in the West Asia? In West Asia, who supporting to the West Asian people, they are considering as a Razakar, because there was a army and its the name is Razakar Bulin. Is it the name of the army, and that army was supporting to the West Asia. That's why the West Pakistan. So the East Pakistan's people are considering to them as a Razakar.
They are considered as a Deshdroi. And when these kind of words are used for the people, like as a students, those are using the words for the students who are fighting for their rights, and that is logical. So that was a very bad point which was said by the Prime Minister of Bangladesh.
And even everything was going on in a Bangladesh. Even that also she went in a China for the tour, and she put the word that my daughter health is not well, so because of that I am coming in a Bangladesh. And as she came, she put the word of Razakar, so that impact more. And afterwards, after in the second day, 36 guys buried in a environment in a particular place. That was bigger point for the protester, and protesters are just wondering over to it that why 36 guys are buried over there and why she spoke this word.
Questionable that unknown people were buried over there, and people were putting the questions over it.
Maybe
Let
the
us get the point of views of the students.
So, as we know that the 30 or 36 people were buried, why? Along with that, there is a second question that those students are going to harm the Hindus people, and they are going to destroy those temples, and they also destroyed the statue of the first Prime Minister of Bangladesh.
They are showing their angerness to the Mujibur Rahman statue.
Yes. And at the last, what they said that when she just left the luxurious palace or a whole villa, so the whole protesters enter over there and they steal everything of that house.
And they are
And-
also having meal over there.
Yes, they were also having meals.
The same kind of situation we just saw in 2022 in Sri Lanka.
Yes.
Same
Yeah,
situation.
absolutely.
So, what India is getting impact of this environment, that is being discussed, and now we have to look at what decision India is going to take place.
Yeah, and even Bangladesh Hindus also saying that we want to come in India. We want that the Prime Minister should take the best decision for us to make us enter in India, because we don't want to live in a Bangladesh, and that is bigger point that what will happen if Prime Minister will take bigger decision.
The
Maybe
Bangladesh
the-
is very unstable right now.
Yeah.
Maybe the situation will be handled when the Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina will should,
Resign the post of her.
Yeah.
and if she will if she was not leave Bangladesh, so the situation will be handled. But as she leaves, so people started thinking that this is the mistake of her. That's why she left Bangladesh.
So guys, in that we have understood that the citizen, they rose their hand because of their rights, and like in the 56% reservation they are passing to that guys, and on the basis of 44 percentage, 44 percentage on that basis they are getting the jobs, and it is, we can say, discrimination on them. And in India also, like we have a lot of reservation, but it is on the basis of caste, like who have backward family, they are passing to them, not to them who their forefather did something in the past on the basis of that. No. Yeah. So yeah, the government of Bangladesh, they should understand the value and the importance of their citizen, and they should take any kind of decision on that. It will be helpful.
Especially for the students, because they were working for their futures, and they want a position that can help them, that can help their family
But
also.
right now we also have to understand that there is right now no government.
Yeah.
There are the fight going on between that army will rule or the scholar people. Those are where they will rule. So first of all, they have to get the decision. Then afterwards, we can take any action.
Yeah, and they are making also an internal government in the Bangladesh also after resigning the Hasina Begum. So guys, we have understood a lot of things, and by the scholar we got a lot of point in that. Let's see what will happen in the afterward, what the Bangladesh government will take the decision, and the impact of on India we will see. So thank you guys to see to us and for give your precious time. Bye bye.
सूरज तेरा